have so much. Okay, can you believe what I got? Good morning, lovelies. This is the day where I am going to show you how I will travel on my trip to the Netherlands. And it's been asked a lot by a lot of you women because the traveling is back in our life. Elaine, this one is for you because you've been asking me many times and you've given me some tips, and I said to you I don't think I can do it, but guess what? I can do it. I am so excited. I got so much into this little carry-on. I didn't even use the double zipper to make it bigger. I was even thinking, what more can I bring? So I am thrilled. Now the conclusion will be when I come back, and I will tell you, lovelies, if I packed right or if I was missing things, but I think I did pretty good. So I'm going for 3 weeks, and I'm going to the Netherlands, and I'm staying at 3 different places. And it's September, and I usually go to the Netherlands in September. I've had lovely weather, beach weather. I have also had rain and coolish. So this is the trick, right? You have to pack for different climates. So this is what I'm going to wear on the plane. And I will peel everything off and show you what my reasons are to my madness. So first of all, this is my purse. I will peel off layers as they come. This is my purse with my reading glasses, my sunglasses, my money, my phone, and my 4 lipsticks that are very important to me. So this is what I always will wear in the Netherlands too on my travels. And it's easy, it's light, and you can bike with it and everything. Of course, a scarf from Sydney, because I find on the plane it's always air conditioned, it's coolish. A jeans jacket because I can take it off, and most of these pieces are from the boutique. Some are vintage, like this one is an older one from past collection, but this is the boxy top, and we have boxy tops in our winter collection in a few different colors. This is my little pack that I have on my body with my passport, all my important papers, and I will put my phone in here too. And so that I always have it with me. So I'm wearing the yoga jeans, the skinny black, and I'm wearing little booties from Fly. They are not heavy, but they take up quite a bit of room. So I'm bringing these because I can walk on them for 24 hours. And if it's chilly, then I like to wear booties, and you know, it's kind of a cute look. So I'm gonna open the little carry-on. 2 pairs of shoes with a little heel from Fly. Also can walk on them forever, and a little summery still. And when I want a little dress up, I always feel better with a little heel. As you can see, I roll everything and tuck it in different corners. My color palette is black and white, and I have a bit of oatmeal in there. This is the skirt from Catharines, which I can wear with this, the jeans jacket. Yeah, very versatile. My little black linen jacket from Chrisas. Nice little cover up, can go over this too. And with a few other things that I've got. The black silk pants, oh, I'm excited about these, to wear these, because we're gonna bike all the time. So I cannot have my wide-legged pants because then they will get caught in the bike. I'm excited to wear these because these I can wear with sweaters, with this, with the linen jacket, with my jeans jacket. Bathing suit because I'm going to swim in the ocean, hopefully, if it's not too cold. I bring this shirt a lot on my trips. It's light and it goes with black, of course, any black that I have in here. And it's a nice cover up when it's hot, and you can also layer it when it's cooler. It's a lot about the scarves, right? So I brought 3 scarves. I'm wearing one. I brought another one from Sydney. I brought one that is a little skinnier, and I brought 2 very skinny ones that can just go around my neck. I find with the scarves you can jazz up things and change your whole palette and your whole look. This is my toiletries, and I bought these little bottles it's like a package. It comes from Shoppers Drug Mart. And I filled it with my favorites, and then I labeled it. This is my seaweed toner from the Body Shop. Ladies, if you have curly hair, you know curly hair can go very funny if you don't have the right product. So this is my Catwalk. It's a gel cream that I put in after I wash my hair. The curl cream also for my hair. And then the rest is skincare. This is my day cream from Nivea. This I never travel without. This is my face glow. This goes over my Nivea. 50 sunscreen with a little bit of a tint in it. Oh, I have a little eye cream from Trifecta. And I put that on, and this is small enough too. Always in the clear bag, and I will put it on in my backpack so that when we have to go to customs. So that's it. I am very light on the jewelry. I always have my trusted, simple, two very light, dainty necklaces. And I think all I'm gonna wear is my little pearly earrings. And then I brought these two necklaces because they're light. And they are, the one is, it's got some red in it, and it will go with everything. And this is of course my favorite. And it will go with everything, and it's all very light, so. That's all I'm gonna wear. This is my little jewelry wrap. I have my other cosmetic bag, but this is with my toothbrush, my deodorant. I have a little jar of body lotion and eyeshadow, my mascara, my brush, eyebrows. I'm gonna keep it very, very simple. As long as I have my lipsticks and my mascara, I'm okay. These are my runners, which I bring for sure. So far, I have my booties. I have my little dressy shoes, and I have my running shoes. I am wearing one bra, I'm wearing one other bra. I have 7 pairs of undies I will wash while I'm there. Oh my God, I brought so much, I can't believe it really. This is a shirt from Catharines, and it's the linen, 100% linen. And I find it very cozy when it's a little cool. So I can wear this with the pants, with the skirt, with all kinds of different things. I brought a stag tunic. This is the oatmeal. This is very cozy. It looks nice with jeans. Would look nice with the skirt too. Can you believe it that I can bring all this? I cannot. I have the little jacket from Catharines in the oatmeal for when I'm gonna go out at night. I will wear it with my, I could wear it with my jeans, but I could also wear it with the Catharines hair pants. And then, of course, the tank dress, because I bring the tank dress everywhere I go when I travel. A Kieran slouch belt, because that's an essential with the tank dress. A piece that I've had for years. It's extremely cozy. And when it gets cold, that's what I can wear. A pair of leggings, Lousje and Bean. Our little Inge wrap for the tank dress, for when it gets cold, when I want to dress up. Down to the basics now. I have 2 camisoles. I'm wearing one, a white one. I'm wearing another black one and a black one. I always sleep in a t-shirt. This is my sleep t-shirt, and you know, I'll wash in between. Plain white t-shirt from Catharines. Love this. Very great basic. 4 pairs of socks. Another boxy top, a lighter one. And that's it, ladies. I am so impressed. I'm so surprised. What I will do, I still have my backpack. Very interesting stuff in my backpack. I like to talk about it. I like to explain it, but we will videotape it, and it will be shown on Instagram. I hope you liked it. I hope you got inspired, because I am really over the moon. I can't tell you. In my backpack, I have all my essentials that I need on the plane. The backpack will go under the seat. This will go up. And we're going to take trains and stuff. This will be so much easier than a big suitcase and this and that. Okay, this was a great practice for me, and hopefully it inspired you. Keep on smiling, ladies. Bye-bye. Thank you, ladies, for watching this segment. I hope you got inspired and you got some style tips. And what do we say again?
Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our content to more beautiful women.
Like you.
Have a great day.
Keep smiling.